Today we're doing a review on another wireless microphone. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Hey, this is Lo. Hi. Yeah, no, I'm just in the middle of doing a microphone review. What? Don't review it. What? Why? You got something for me? I don't even have whatever you want me to review. What? It's in front of my door. How? All right, I'll go check. Hold on. How did you do that? No, okay, never mind. I'll review it. Okay. All right, just, it's that good? It's really that good? Don't review the other one. Just review this. Okay. All right, I'll review it. Up next. Hey, it's Lo for Lo Knows, and this is a place where I help content creators just like you get better at your craft through audio, video, and tech. So make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any of their future videos. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and also follow me on social media at Lo Knows Media. Okay, guys, so today we are taking a look at the Phenyx Pro PTU-71. Now, this is a dual-channel wireless microphone system. Now, the good people at Phenyx Pro sent me this microphone kit for review, so I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to pick one up for yourself or see other reviews or more specifics on this microphone kit. All right, let's get inside the box and see what this bad boy is all about. Introducing the box. As you can see, it comes with a nice handle to just walk around with it for easy convenience. I'd also like to give a big shout out to my kids for stepping on this box, making it so lovely for this review. What are you gonna do? Inside the box, of course, we've got our literature, a piece of styrofoam, even better, and now, everything else. We have the main base station, fully featured with 2 volume buttons, and of course on the back and the side you've got all the connections and the antenna ports, power, and audio output to connect to your devices. We have our microphone A, really good solid build, long microphone, really sturdy, and of course microphone B. It comes with your power adapter, of course, so you can power it, and your audio connector cord so you can connect it directly to your computer or a mixer or whatever recording device you prefer. Batteries, that's always a good thing, 2 for each microphone. And then, of course, the 2 antennas, so we can actually get some range on our receiver. Alright, enough of what's inside the box. Let's get to this thing. Alright, so the first thing that I'm pretty sure you're noticing about this microphone is how it sounds. My God, when I first heard the sound of this microphone kit, I was like, wow, like, you gotta be kidding me. I know I normally say that I like the sound of a microphone, but this, like, I was like, hold on a second, like, this is on another level with everything else that I have been reviewing. It has this nice, warm, round, comforting sound. It's just like, it just makes me all feel like all smooth and everything. It's just like, oh wow, you can just keep on talking forever. I just love the way it sounds. Gosh, it's round, warm, and comforting. That's the best way I could describe the characteristics of how it sounds like when speaking to this microphone. Secondly, you can see that I don't have the microphone all the way up to my mouth. You don't need it. It's just like right here. So you really don't have to worry about plosives or really getting like trying to worry about how you're going to sound or if this microphone is even being able to capture what you're saying perfectly without there being like, like the extra like pops and the plos and all that stuff. Like you can have the confidence of just speaking to the microphone like this. The build of the microphone is really solid, nice metal meshing around the top. Of course, you have your pop filter, like your foam inside of the microphone. Really big, long microphone. You've got a mute button right here, so all you have to do is if you ever wanted to mute yourself, you just press it once. Press it again, and then you're unmuted. As well as the other functions, you can also change the frequency that this microphone goes on. Now, let's jump to the base receiver, all right? This is like a no fuss microphone system. All right, it's just like it just gets the job done. Connect me somewhere, I'll give you great sound. That's it, job's done. All right, bass receiver, you have your power button. You have got your A and B volume knob for microphone A and microphone B. You can finally change your, I guess, the antenna or the frequency in which the microphone and the receiver are speaking to. Changing the channels on the microphones are really easy. As you can see, we're on channel 1. We'll go ahead and switch to channel 2. We'll press set, and then you can see it's looking for our IR receiver. We'll go to our microphone. We see the little IR receiver. We just point it at the IR light and then give it a couple of seconds, and then it syncs right up. Good to go. If we look at the back of the receiver, we've got our 2 antennas, really big antennas. This thing has a fantastic range as well as sound. But we look in the back, you have the options of balance outs if you wanted to connect this directly to high quality speakers. Man, this thing is not messing around. And probably one of my favorite non-features is the fact that it doesn't have an echo effect. Yes, you know how I feel about echoes, and there is no need or reason to have an echo effect on this beast of a monster. Okay, another thing, along with the cord that you connect to actually your mixer or the speakers or just whatever device, it comes with a little 1/4-inch adapter so you can connect it to other devices besides professional equipment. So if you want to connect this set to maybe like your cell phone or like a mini recorder with that converter adapter, you can connect this device to that and still get high quality recordings from this device. I am loving this kit. Phenyx Pro, you know what? I'm glad you dropped this off in front of me and gave me the chance to actually review this kit because I am super impressed. And I know I say it a lot, but guys, I really am impressed with this microphone kit because I'm really not worrying about my mic technique. It's just kind of like right here, and I can feel free to just talk to you. All right, no fuss. I know I'm getting a great signal. All right, I'm right next to my speaker. I'm not getting any interference, no buzzing noise or anything like I was with like other devices. Right? It's just it just works. I just feel good. It's just safe. Man, that's pretty much going to be it for the review. This review is just like this microphone kit. No fuss, just business and all. I don't know what to say. Butter. You know? But let's do our pros and cons. Number 1, the pros. This thing has an awesome sound. Number 2, there's no echo feature. That's really weird, huh? No, it's a plus for not having something. Number 3, the range. This microphone kit has a great range. And number 4, all business. Number 1's on the cons. Well, I really wish I didn't have to push so much as far as the gain is concerned with this microphone kit. That's it. Okay, guys, that is it for this review of the Phenyx Pro PTU-71. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can grab this bad boy up for yourself or see other reviews on this microphone kit. Guys, as always, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Any questions, comments, or concerns about the PTU-71 or anything else, if you prefer chocolate over vanilla, let me know. Leave it down in the comment section down below. Hit me up on social media at Low Nose Media, and also join the Discord community so you can collaborate or learn from content creators just like you on Discord at Low Nose. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.